Hello everyone, welcome to Glowing Stars Bharat. Hello students, I'm present once again with a new video. I'm Abhishek from Glowing Stars Bharat. Today we are going to take up a topic of class 12 chemistry, and topic we are going to start solid state. Dear students, everything in our surroundings is known as matter that can be categorized into three states. First is solid, second is liquid, and third is gas. The student, in our day-to-day life, solids plays a crucial role in different purposes. Different types of solid with different properties are required for different purpose. The constituent particles and the types of bonds between the particles determine the nature of specific solid. For example, bucket or a container used to carry water, utensils used for cooking food, computer, vehicles, electronics are all solid substances used in our day-to-day life. So dear student, in this chapter, we discuss the types of solid, crystal structures, elements of symmetry, Bragg's equation, allotropes of carbon, diamond, graphite and fluorine. So dear student, let's begin the chapter. So dear student, first question is, what is solid? So dear students, solid state. A solid is defined as the form of matter which has rigidity and due to which possesses a definite volume and a definite shapes. These characteristics are due to the existence of very strong forces of attraction among the constituent species of the solid. Due to these strong forces, the structural unit of the solid do not possess any translatory motion, but can have only vibrational motion about their mean position. So dear student, solid means definite shape, definite volume, highly incompressible, rigid, constituent particles held closely by strong intermolecular forces and fixed position of constituent. Next is types of solid. So dear student, mainly two types based upon atomic arrangement and binding energy and physical and chemical properties. First is crystalline solid and second is amorphous solid. Crystalline solid. Dear student, the building constituents arrange themselves in regular manner throughout the entire three-dimensional network. Existence of crystalline lattice. A crystalline lattice is solid figure which has a definite geometrical space with flat foreset and sharp edges. Crystalline solid incompressible orderly arranged units and definite sharp melting point. Also, anisotropy, definite geometry, gives X-ray diffraction bond. Example for crystalline solid: NaCl, sodium chloride, CaCl, etc. are crystalline solid. Second solid, amorphous solid. Dear students, amorphous solid derived from Greek word amorphy, means shapeless, means no regular but haphazard arrangement of atoms or molecule. Also considered a non-crystalline solid or supercooled liquid. No sharp melting point. It is also isotropic. No definite geometrical shape. Do not gives X-ray diffraction bond. Dear student, example for amorphous solid is glass, rubber, plastic. All are amorphous solid. Next is types of crystal structure. Dear students, mainly four types of crystal structure. First is ionic crystal, covalent crystal, molecular crystals and metallic crystals. First, ionic crystal. Ionic crystals lattice points are occupied by positive and negative ions. It is also hard and brittle solids. High melting point due to very strong electrostatic forces of attraction. Poor conductor of electricity in solid state but good in molten state. And also packing of spheres depend upon presence of charge species present, difference in the size of anion and cation. Ionic crystals are two types. First is AB types and second is AB2 types. Next is covalent crystal. Covalent crystals, main point is lattice points are occupied by natural atoms. Second, atoms are held together by covalent bonds. It is hard salty, high melting point, poor conductor of electricity. Two common examples covalent crystals, diamonds and graphite. Next is molecular crystal. Molecular crystal, lattice points are occupied by natural molecules. The molecules are held together by van der Waals forces. Molecular crystals are very soft solids, low melting point, poor conductor of electricity. Metallic crystal. Lattice points are occupied by positive metals ion surrounded by a sea of mobile. Example, soft to very hard. Metals have high tensile strength. Good conductor of electricity. Metallic crystals are good conductor of electricity. Malleable and ductile nature. Bonding electrons in metals remain delocalized over an entire crystal. High density. Next is laws of symmetry. Mainly, we study three types of laws of symmetry. First, plane of symmetry. Second, center of symmetry. And third is axis of symmetry. So dear students, elements of symmetry in cubic crystal. Rectangular planes of symmetry 3 type. Diagonal planes of symmetry 6. Axis of 4-fold symmetry 3. Axis of 3-fold symmetry 4. Axis of 2-fold symmetry 6. Center of symmetry 1. Means total symmetry elements equal to 23. Different plane of symmetry. See the figure. Rectangular plane of symmetry is equal to 3 and diagonal plane of symmetry is equal to 6. Axis of symmetry. In axis of symmetry, 4-fold axis of symmetry is equal to 3 and 3-fold axis of symmetry is equal to 4. Axis and center of symmetry, 2-fold axis of symmetry 6 and center of symmetry 1. Next is types of cubic crystal. Dear students, 4 types of cubic crystal. First, simple or primitive types. Second, body centered. Third, face centered. And fourth, end face centered. See the figure. Simple or primitive types, body centered. Third is face centered cell. And fourth is end face centered cell. Number of atoms per unit cell in a cubic lattice. Simple cubic cell, 1 atom per unit cell of solid crystal. Body centered cell equal to 2 atoms per unit cells of BCC. Face centered cell is equal to 4 atoms per unit cell of face centered cell. In face centered cell equal to 2 atoms per unit cell. Simple cubic, number of atoms per unit cell is equal to 8 into 1 by 8 is equal to 1. Number of atoms per unit cell, 8 into 1 by 8 is equal to 1 means 1 by 8 atoms. Simple cubic arrangement. See the figure, example of polonium. 52% of the space is occupied by the atoms. Body centered cubic lattice. Number of atoms present per unit cell is equal to 8 into 1 by 8 plus 1 into 1 is equal to 2. Means number of atoms per unit cell is equal to 2. Body centered cubic lattice. Example CSCl and CSBr. 68% of the space is occupied by the atoms. Face centered cubic lattice. Number of atoms present per unit cell is equal to 8 into 1 by 8 plus 6 into 1 by 2 is equal to total is 4. Means in face centered cubic lattice, number of atoms present per unit cell is equal to 4. Face centered cubic lattice. Last is face centered cubic lattice. Example NaCl, NaF, KBr, MgO. All are face centered cubic lattice. 74% of the space is occupied by the atoms. In face centered cubic lattice, number of atoms present per unit cell is equal to 2. Atomic radius of a cubic lattice. Simple cubic cell R equal to A by 2. Face centered cubic cell R equal to A by root under 8. Body centered cubic cell equal to R equal to under root 3A by 4, where A is the length of cube. Radius ratio rule. Relation between the radius, coordination number and the structural arrangement of the molecule. Radius ratio is equal to radius of cation means R plus by radius of cation R minus. And the student, greater the radius ratio, larger the size of the cation and hence the coordination number. Density is equal to density is equal to Z, number of atoms into Ma mass number by Avogadro number into side length 3. Means Ma equal to mass number, Na equal to Avogadro, A equal to side length and Z equal to number of atoms. Structural analysis by the radius ratio rule. Dear students, radius ratio 0.0 to 0.155, so coordination number is 2 and shape linear. Example HF. Second number, radius ratio 0.155 to 0.225, coordination number is 3 and shapes triangular planar. Examples B2O3 and Bn. Third is 0.225 to 0.414, coordination number is equal to 4 and shapes tetrahedral. And example zinc sulfide and SiO4 minus 4. Dear students, this is very important. Fourth number is 0.414 to 0.732, coordination number is 6 and shapes octahedral. Example NaCl. NaCl is octahedral shape and radius ratio 0.414 to 0.732. Fifth number 0.732 to 1.0, coordination number is 8 and shapes is body centered cubic. Example CSCl. Next subtopic is Bravais lattice. The students, unit cell parameters, length A, B and C, angles alpha, beta and gamma. The total crystal lattice is equal to 7 and total Bravais lattice is equal to 14. The crystal system with unit cell and parameters, cubic, systems cubic, cell dimension A equal to B equal to C and crystal angle alpha equal to beta equal to gamma equal to 90 degree and Bravais lattice is equal to SC simple cubic, face centered cubic and BCC all are equal to 3 and Memon system elements 3-fold axis for 4-fold axis 3. Next system is orthorhombic, cell dimension A not equal to B not equal to C, crystal angles alpha equal to beta equal to gamma equal to 90 degree. Total 4, SC, FCC, BCC, EFCC equal to 4. मतलब total Bravais lattice 4. Next tetragonal A equal to B, A equal to B, B not equal to C. Crystal angles alpha equal to beta equal to gamma equal to 90 degree. Two types of Brabus lattice, SC and BCC. Fourfold axis is equal to 1. Next is monoclinic, A equal to B equal to C, and crystal angle, A not equal to B, B not equal to C. Crystal angles alpha equal to gamma equal to 90 degree and beta not equal to 90 degree. Two type of Brabus lattice, SC and EFCC. Next, C triclinic, hexagonal, rhombohedral and trigonal. See the figure and also note down in your notebook. Next, examples of different crystal systems. This is also very important. First, cubic structure. Cubic examples: NaCl, KCl, CaF2, Cu, ZnS, CaCl, Cu2O. Orthorhombic: BaSO4, KNO3, MgSiO3, K2SO4, CdSO4, AgBr. Tetragonal example: SnO2, TiO2, ZrSiO4. Monoclinic: CaSO4 into 2H2O, monoclinic. Triclinic: CuSO4, copper sulfate into 5H2O, sodium hydrogen sulfate, H3PO3. And next is hexagonal: PbI2, Mg, magnesium, Cd, zinc, ZnO, zinc oxide, Bn, SiO2, HGS and CdS. Rhombohedral and trigonal: graphite, ICl, Al2O3, calcite as SbBi. Cubic lattice, dear student, cubic lattice, simple or primitive. Example: body center I and face centered F. Orthorhombic lattice, simple or primitive P, body center I, end center C and face centered F. Tetragonal lattice, simple P, body centered I. Monoclinic lattice, simple P, end center C. Triclinic lattice, triclinic. See the figure. Hexagonal lattice, see the figure. Rhombohedral trigonal lattice. Next is structures of important ionic compound. First is AB types. Example: NaCl means rock salt, sodium chloride. CaCl, ZnS, zinc brandia. Second is AB2 type means CaF2, fluoride, butyl and SiO2. Next, this student also discuss the structure of NaCl means rock salt. So structure of NaCl, FCC, face centered type structure. Coordination number is 6:6. Calculation of number of atoms of NaCl is equal to, just for example, chlorine at corner 8 into 1 by 8 is equal to 1. Chlorine at face center 6 into 1 by 2 is equal to 3. Number at edge center 12 into 1 by 4 is equal to 3. And sodium at body center equal to 1. Unit cell container are 4 into Na plus Cl minus. That for example, per each unit cell 4 NaCl unit will be present. Structure of sodium chloride, see the figure. Cubic unit cell, smallest particles unit, and sodium and chloride. Next, structure of CaCl. In this structure, BCC types, body centered. CO coordination number 8:8 and number of atoms per unit cell is equal to 1. Structure of ZnS, FCC type, coordination number is equal to 4:4. Calculation of number of atoms per unit cell is equal to total S equal to 8 into 1 by 8 plus 6 into 1 by 2 is equal to 4. Total zinc 4 and hence total ZnS is equal to 4. Next, structure of CaF2, FCC type, coordination number 8:4 means 8,4 cation and 4,4 anion. All the compound of AB2 types follow the same pattern. Structure of K2O, FCC type, coordination number is 4:8 means 4,4 cation and 8,4 anion. Next, structure of important covalent compound. Mainly two, diamond and graphite. See the figure. You also know that the figure diamond. Structure of diamond is FCC type, tetrahedral. C single bond C, bond length equal to 1.3 A, refractive index 2.4, high dispersive power of light, non-conductor of electricity, 3D network, hardest substance ever known, and used as an abrasive. All features present in the structure of diamond. The students see the figure. Figure is 3D structure of diamond. Next is graphite. Structure of graphite. Characteristics of graphite are one of the smallest substance ever known, 2D hexagonal layer structure, CC bond length 1.45 A, interlayer distance 3.54 A, and sliding nature, sp2 hybridization with one electron left over, specific gravity 2:2, electrical conductor, metallic luster, used as a good lubricant. See the figure 2D structure of graphite. Next, dear student, fluorines. Important points about fluorines: discovered in 1985 as C68, consist of spherical, ellipsoid or crystal cylindrical arrangement of dozens of carbon atoms. 3 type: spherical, also called Buckley balls, molecule of the year 1991 by Sciences magazine. Cylindrical, C nanotubes for bucket tubes, and planar. The structure of fluorine: 16 carbon atoms arranged in pentagons and hexagons, 7 angstrom in diameter, soccer ball shaped molecule with 26 membered and 12 5-member rings. Each pentagon is surrounded by 5 hexagons. No 2 pentagons are adjacent. Each carbon is sp2 hybridized. Usage of fluorines as photoresistant in preparation of superconductor, in optical devices, or also in battery as a change carrier. Next is, dear student, Bragg's equation is also very important for in this chapter. Bragg's equation is, so dear students, the Bragg's equation is determination of crystal structure by X-ray diffraction. Dear students, the size of the unit cell and arrangement of atoms in a crystal is determined with the help of measurement of diffraction of X-ray by the crystal. Bragg point out that the scattering of X-ray by crystal could be considered as reflection from successive plane of atoms in the crystals. The process was based upon the principle that a crystal may be considered to be made up of number of parallel equivalent atomic plane and represented by lines A, B, CD and EF in figure shown below. So finally, Bragg's equation, n lambda equal to 2d sin theta. Dear student, thus Bragg gave a mathematical equation to establish a relationship between the wavelength of the incident ray X-ray and the distance between the layers and the angle of diffraction, where lambda equal to wavelength of X-ray used and theta equal to angle between incident X-ray and the plane of the crystal. The diffracted beam make an angle 2 theta. D is equal to distance between planes of the constituent particles in a crystal. N equal to n an integer 1, 2, 3, 4 which represents the serial order of diffracted beams. So dear students, this is very important. Bragg's equation, n lambda equal to 2d sin theta. So dear students, I hope that you have understand today's lesson, solid state. We have tried to explain the whole lesson to a short time and short method. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you and thanks for watching.